Imagine trying to bake a complicated cake without a recipe. No clear steps, no timeline, and no way to check your progress. In this lecture, we will learn sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, retrospective, and backlog refinement. You will learn what each event involves, why it matters, and how to maximize its value. In this lecture, you will understand the purpose of each scrum event and its significance in achieving successful sprints. Uncover practical tips for maximizing the effectiveness of these events. Connect these concepts to real world scenarios using an engaging analogy. Sprint planning is the starting point of every sprint, the event where the team decides what they will deliver and how they will achieve it. The product owner presents the most important items from the backlog. The team discusses them to ensure clarity. Together, they determine a sprint goal which acts as the North Star for the sprint. The key to a successful sprint planning session lies in preparation. When done effectively, this event not only sets the tone for the sprint but also boosts confidence in achieving the desired outcomes. Daily Scrum is a brief 15-minute meeting where the team gathers to synchronize their efforts and address potential roadblocks. Each member shares what they accomplished yesterday, what they plan to do, and if they're facing any challenges. The purpose of this meeting is not to provide updates to the Scrum Master, but to ensure that the team is aligned. At the end of the sprint review is held to showcase the team's progress to stakeholders. The team demonstrates the product increment, essentially the work completed during the sprint. The event is not just a presentation, it is an opportunity to gather valuable feedback from stakeholders. Their input helps refine the product and ensures alignment with business objectives. Following the sprint review, the team gathers for the sprint retrospective. This is a reflective meeting where the team discusses what went well during the sprint and what did not. It is a safe space for honest conversations where the focus is on process rather than blaming the individuals. To ensure a productive retrospective, the team should identify actionable items and commit to implementing at least one improvement in the next sprint. Backlog refinement, also known as grooming, is an ongoing activity. It is vital for smooth sprints. During the refinement, the team reviews upcoming backlog items and ensures tasks are well designed and prioritized. This preparation makes sprint planning more efficient and prevents bottlenecks during the sprint. Think of the Scrum event as a train journey. Sprint planning is like setting the destination and mapping out the route. Daily Scrum is the train's conductor, checking in regularly to ensure everything is running smoothly. Sprint review is when passengers, stakeholders, evaluate how far they've traveled and whether they're still on the right track. Sprint retrospective is the maintenance check that ensures the train is functioning well and can handle the next leg of the journey. Backlog refinement, meanwhile, is akin to stocking the train with necessary supplies for upcoming trips. Just like a train journey, a Scrum team needs consistent checkpoints and preparation to reach its destination efficiently and without derailment. Select a team project or activity and simulate one of the Scrum events we've discussed in this lecture. Reflect on the experience, what worked well and what could be improved. The 5 core Scrum events: sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, retrospective, and backlog refinement are the foundation of Agile success. Each serves a unique purpose, but together they provide structure, promote alignment, and drive continuous improvement. Let's discuss the challenges you faced and the strategies you used to overcome them. Do share them in the comment section.